Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change startup programs on Windows 10. First, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you have to go to Startup section and then sort the applications you see in this table by the status column. And now each application which has the enabled status will start up when your PC turns on. To disable it to prevent it from starting up with your PC, you have to right-click such application and select Disable. And this way, this application will not start up when your device turns on. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.